Today's your lucky day, because today is the day I do a sewing challenge. So remember that time that I did a thrift flip video where I sewed something and then everyone was like, do another sewing video, and then I didn't do it for like 3 months?
No comment, but sewing videos are really hard and they make me want to throw my laptop out the window.
I'm going to pick out some things from my closet that I don't like and don't wear, and I want to sew them together into something that I will wear. I have some stuff on my bed that I've looked through.
Hipster Minnie Mouse, a sailor's blouse, a shirt I never wear, Kim Possible's shorts.
Don't really like anything so far. I'm gonna look through my dresser a little bit and see.
The following will serve as evidence for how much Marissa hates her own clothes.
Oh, this, I actually don't like this. It looks bad when I put it on. Oh, this I hate. And you think it would look good, but it just looks really bad on me. I just hate it.
Oh yes, the glorious shirt I chose to destroy with a craft scissor. And I made it into a...
So based on what I'm seeing, I think I'm gonna make a dress, just because a dress is like more fun to make than a shirt. I really like this one. Ow! Oh, just slammed my knee. Ow. Ow. Okay, so I've been thinking, and this is gonna sound stupid, but I'm going to make a dress out of just this shirt.
I don't know why I thought it was okay to hold the shirt like this. Can we just take a moment? What is going on?
So this shirt is pretty long. What I'm going to do is take this, put it as, I already tried it on off camera, but like put it around my body like this and have it go up to this line on my rib cages. Then I'm going to sew this closed, and then there's going to be like a slit of lace that's like open, so it'll look like a cool like night dress. So I'm going to have 2 slits of lace on the sides once I sew up closed this side, and then I'm going to use the remaining fabric to somehow make a cool top. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional sewer. I don't really know how to sew anything, but somehow the things that I sew turn out looking okay, I think. So yeah, I'm going to just start sewing and I'll show you what's going on. From like here to here is like around 14 inches.
I made this very informative infographic on Snapchat to explain that the yellow part will be the skirt part of the dress.
I'm gonna sew this thing with purple because I'm crazy. No.
Purple was the darkest colored thread I had.
Is this plugged in? Oh, it's not on.
I guess threading a bobbin is dangerous for some people.
That was scary.
I then sewed closed my armholes so that I could no longer stick my arms through the holes.
I've had this for years, and by years, I mean I've had this since 2005 when I was in 5th grade in a sewing class. I bought this with my mom. My mom bought it for me when I was little because I loved it and I thought it was so pretty. And wouldn't that be so beautiful, somehow incorporated into a dress with purple seams? So that's the goal here.
The goal was not achieved. I just wanted to show you how pretty this ribbon is that I never actually get to use, but always try to use.
So I'm going to take these out and try this on, and then if it looks okay, I'm going to cut off the sleeves and try to make a top. So the sleeves are still in here, so I'm going to fix this part of it, but if you can see, this would be like the skirt area of the dress. It goes down. I'm going to fix this to be darted a little more fitted, and then it has these cool slits. See, this is a little weird. I don't know if you can see the way they did the sleeve. Goes like that. That's why that thing was sticking out before, but probably should have just continued the line and sewed straight down. I think that's what I'm going to do.
And my sewing machine blocked the whole shot.
So I don't know if you can tell, but I sewed down like the edge of this just to make it like even. The sleeves are still like on the inside of this dress, so I'm gonna cut the sleeves now that I feel comfortable with this. I do have like a little mistake over here, so I'm gonna fix that too.
I was really nervous about cutting the sleeves off, but then I just did what I always do. I cut it off before I changed my mind. Hold your breath, count to 3, cut it off, and now you're free.
And now I'm going to do a zigzag stitch along the edges just to make sure it stays in place. If anyone knows how to oil a sewing machine, can you leave it in the comments below? I can't figure out how to oil my sewing machine. I've looked online and like I can't figure it out. So if someone actually knows how to oil a sewing machine, let me know. Because I have the oil, and I must have lost the instruction manual because, again, I got this in 2005, and now it squeaks really badly, and I'm worried about it. And now I have 2 sleeves. I'm thinking if I cut this open along this line, then I'll have, like, a front and a back of a shirt, hopefully. I'm not sure if that will actually be the case, but we're going to do it and see. So I'm going to cut it along this way.
Cut it.
Okay. Oh my goodness, that looks pretty cool. I don't know, maybe I can make a top like this. And maybe if I have the second one, I can connect it in the back. Yo, that looks so good. Okay, I like that a lot. I'm like so nervous and my right eye is starting to water and I don't want to close my eyes. Oh my god. Okay. Nice. Okay, so we have the same thing. And now...
Here's a picture to describe what I'm saying very poorly. Basically, I just took an old black tank top to create the two outer panels and sewed them into the center panel. And here I'm just cutting out the two outer panels from the black tank top.
So I'm going to sew this in. I believe that's correct. Only time will tell.
Sewing, 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 sewing.
Okay, so I sewed all three of these pieces together. It's gonna go like this, and it goes around the back. So now what I'm going to do is sew in the back piece, and then see what happens when I put it on, because then I wanna like somehow make a turtleneck. Maybe use the remaining pieces. Not quite sure yet.
Didn't get it on tape, but I did sew in the back piece.
Oh, whoa. I did not consider that for a second. Like, believe me, I literally was sewing it to be like this, to go up. But the other option is actually to go like this. Okay, I've decided to do it this way just because I realized the neck way doesn't make any sense because I don't have like a button to open it up, so I wouldn't even be able to put it on because my head is not the size of my neck. Duh.
The method I'm describing here doesn't work either, so I tried the first way with the turtleneck, then I tried this way, and that led me to the third way, which is the actual way that I created the top. And if that confused you, because there's a 100% chance that it did, I'm going to explain how I did the third method right now.
Okay, I'm about to do something quite crazy that could potentially ruin this whole top, but also could save the whole top in a magnificent way. So if it goes wrong, we just have a skirt that looks pretty bomb, if you ask me. If it goes right, magnificat. So what I'm going to do is, so see these things, they don't have holes in them. I have it like this. I am going to cut this in half. And what I'll be left with is two of these pieces that are separated enough to have an armhole, and then I'm going to sew it on top, so I'll have a little sleeve.
Remember, act fast before you change your mind.
I think that looks kind of cool. Oh my god, I kind of want to do it this way. Damn it! Ugh, I'm so confused. I think I'm going to do it this way. This looks like I just turned it into like a very classy dress. Oh, I'm going to do that. Okay. Give me a second. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I did what I said I was going to do. I just sewed the two things together, and then I also added a little dart underneath the arm, and I think it came out really good. So I have the slit here. That was from the sleeve from before. It's fitted with the darts. Has a cool like neckline. This is like, I like it because it's like it's really different than most things that you can buy. I was thinking about sewing this to it, but I almost like that this is like hanging a little bit.
I actually ended up sewing the top into the skirt and making it a one piece, but I just wanted to show you how cool I looked in this one clip.
I decided to actually just quickly sew the top and bottom together, and I like cinched it a little bit, so it would be like this. I think it looks like so good. Like, I will definitely wear this. Like, I really like the slit over here. I think that looks like really good. The slit looks so cute. And then I love the way that this falls. Overall, very comfortable, very good. I'm really happy. I hope you liked this video of me transforming my shirt into a cocktail dress. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every Sunday at 3 p.m. and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I make an upload. If you don't hit the little bell with the push notifications, YouTube won't let you know that I've made an upload. Even if you hit subscribe, they won't let you know that I uploaded. So hit the little bell. And I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.